Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to prepare stuffed bell peppers with minced filling, plenty of cheese and sautéed onions. These are the ingredients for the minced filling. The ingredients for the sautéed onions. And lastly, the other ingredients. Preparation. Cut off the tops of the bell peppers and set aside. Now, using a paring knife or a spoon, carefully remove the seeds and the white membrane from the insides. Also, preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method. We're on stage 1. Let's prepare the mince filling. So heat oil in a wok, then drop in the cumin seeds, green chilies and onions and fry for a couple of minutes. Now add in the salt, ginger paste and the garlic paste and continue to fry until the onions turn light brown. Now add in the minced meat and fry until the mince changes color. When the mince has changed color, add in the listed spices. That's the coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, Garam Masala powder, Chaat Masala and Chilli Flakes. Now fry well for a couple of minutes. Now add in the tomato paste, chopped green coriander and the aromatic salt. The recipe for the aromatic salt is available in the description. Then cover and cook on medium to low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the mince is fully cooked. This is a good time now to taste, so add salt and lemon juice to taste and pepper powder only if required to adjust the taste of the dish to your liking. With this, we have prepared the mince filling. Now stuff the peppers up to the 3/4 mark with the mince filling that we just prepared and top up generously with grated cheese. Please note, any excess mince filling will be used in the next step of the recipe. Similarly, stuff the rest of the bell peppers and top up with a generous helping of grated cheese. Remember, stuff them up to the 3/4 mark because any excess mince filling will be used in the next step of the recipe. So now place the bell peppers in a roasting tray and bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the peppers are soft and the cheese is melted with golden brown patches. Halfway through, rotate the tray by 180 degrees for even baking. We're now moving on to the second stage of the recipe, that is preparing the sautéed onions. So heat oil in the wok, add in the cumin seeds, fennel seeds, red chillies and garlic and toss a bit. Now drop in the sliced onions and the salt and fry until the onions turn translucent and soft. Now add in the turmeric powder and the Kashmiri chili powder and continue to fry. Drop in the chopped tomatoes and the green coriander. Give it a good mix. Then cover and cook for a couple of minutes. Note, the Kashmiri chili powder is used for its color and not for its spiciness. It is not spicy. Then open and drop in the excess mince filling that we prepared in the first stage and mix well. So when the bell peppers have been baked, remove them from the oven and place them on a bed of sautéed onions before serving. And there you have it, stuffed bell peppers with mince filling, plenty of cheese and sautéed onions. So thank you for stopping by. I do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet.